In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT. Something went wrong. If you're seeing that message, don't worry. Most fixes are quick and simple. I'll walk you through a clear sequence so you can get back to chatting without interruptions. Start by opening your browser. Any modern browser works fine. If you're not already on the ChatGPT site, use your search engine and type ChatGPT. Look for the official OpenAI result and open the site to access the chat interface. Once the page is open, give it a refresh. A simple reload can resolve temporary hiccups with scripts or network requests. If you're on a computer, a full reload can help ensure everything is reloaded cleanly. Next, check whether the issue is on your side or a broader service problem. Search for the official OpenAI status page and see if there are any incidents or outages. If the servers are down, the best move is to wait until the status returns to operational, then try again. If there's no outage, reset your user session. Sign out of your account, close the tab, then sign back in. This clears temporary authentication glitches and often resolves the "something went wrong" error right away. If you use a VPN, try turning it off for a moment. ChatGPT's security systems can sometimes block or rate limit certain VPN IP addresses, which can trigger "something went wrong" or "unusual activity" messages. Connecting directly without the VPN can quickly confirm whether that's the cause. If the issue persists, switch networks to rule out local connectivity problems. Toggle airplane mode off and on if you're on mobile, or move from Wi-Fi to cellular data and vice versa. This refreshes your connection and bypasses any quirky router or DNS behavior. Corrupted cache or cookies are a common culprit. Open your browser's settings, go to Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cookies and cached images are selected, then confirm. Keep in mind, this will sign you out of most sites, but it often clears the error. Finally, open a private or incognito window and try ChatGPT there. If it works in private mode, a browser extension is likely interfering. Temporarily disable extensions, especially content blockers, and reload ChatGPT to identify the one causing the conflict. That's it. Work through these steps in order, and you'll isolate the cause and restore ChatGPT quickly. If you found this helpful, try the fixes the next time the message pops up, and you should be back on track fast.